People love watching summaries and reviews of their favorite films. That's why movie review channels are increasing on YouTube. A perfect example is Movie Recaps. Right now, this channel has a whopping 2.3 million subscribers with 691 videos. So how much are they earning? Their estimated net worth is between $349,000 and $2.1 million, and just in the last 30 days, they've made about $20,900. And believe me, all of the videos on this channel are simple faceless reviews of movies that you can also make right now. Hi guys. I'm your today's AI presenter from Wondershare Virbo. My name is William. Today I'll show you how to make faceless movie reviews, which is as easy as cooking fried rice. You just need the right recipe. And that's exactly what we're here to provide. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This way, you won't miss out on any of our latest videos. Now let's get started. How to create your AI movie channel. Step 1. Naming your channel. The channel name is the first thing viewers see when they get interested, and it makes a big difference in attracting an audience. When choosing a name, think about what your audience will like. You can keep it simple just like the Movie Recaps channel. If you're still having trouble coming up with a name, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for suggestions. The goal is to pick a name that's easy to remember and communicates the unique angle of your channel. Step 2. Creating channel art and logo. Your channel's visual identity is just as important as its name. A visual hook can easily captivate potential viewers the moment they land on your page. To make a lasting impression, you'll want to design channel art and a logo that are not only eye-catching but also reflective of your channel's theme. You'll also need to incorporate symbols associated with movies, like a movie reel, popcorn, or a clapperboard. Tools like Midjourney can be incredibly helpful in creating your logo and channel art. By inputting a detailed prompt like movie review channel logo, icon, popcorn, elegant, 3D, cinematic, you can generate designs that are unique and personalized to your channel's theme. By making a whole batch of these visual arts, you've laid a solid foundation for your movie review channel. Step 3. Generating AI reviews. When I first saw a movie review channel, I thought, wow, this guy must have completely watched all these movies. Well, if you are a fan of movies, you can also do that. But it's not necessary. There are two common methods for generating movie reviews. Let's show them to you. Method 1. Using ChatGPT for movie reviews. Just like many other things, ChatGPT can give you a detailed review of a movie within seconds. Let's say you want to review a movie like Oppenheimer. You can simply ask, provide me a full explanation of the movie Oppenheimer as detailed as you can. When you do this, ChatGPT will discuss various aspects of the film, such as the plot, themes, character development, and even the filmmaking techniques used. You can get anything you want from this analysis and make a script for your video. With this method, you can even highlight interesting details that might not be immediately obvious and provide a rich understanding of the movie to your viewers. And of course, without watching the whole movie. Method 2. Using IMDb for synopsis. IMDb is a treasure trove of movie information and can serve as an excellent starting point for your reviews. You can even find the latest movies on this site. Open IMDb in any of your browsers. Now let's search for a movie that was released after April 2023. For example, John Wick 4. See how it has appeared on the screen. Now select it. Now scroll down until you see the storyline heading. See this small blue plot synopsis button. Click on it. Now here it is. A detailed explanation of the John Wick Chapter 4. Just grab the information from here and make a script for your video. IMDb not only ensures accuracy in your reviews but also allows you to quickly gather information about a wide array of the latest films. You can also get insights into the cast and crew, production details, and trivia that can add interesting layers to your reviews. Both methods provide unique advantages. Combining these approaches can lead to rich, engaging content that stands out. You can use ChatGPT to shorten the synopsis while making your script. Then you can expand by adding your analysis or commentary. After that, download the whole movie and take short snaps from different places. They'll be required while you make the review video. Step 4. Creating your avatar and voiceovers. For that, we'll be using Wondershare Virbo here. It's available on the web, Windows, iOS, and even Android devices. Just use the link in the description of this video and download it right now. Let's use the Windows version here. Launch the tool on your computer and pick a suitable AI avatar. They have been divided into different categories for your ease. This avatar will be the face of your channel, so select one that aligns with how you want your channel to be perceived. Then click on the Create Video button by selecting the landscape type. Now include clips from the movie you're reviewing. Go to the Asset section and click on Import Assets. Then upload all the required media like movie clips, additional images, or logos from your computer. This adds visual interest and helps illustrate your points. Now it's time to bring in the script. Type or paste your movie review script into this text script box. The script is what your avatar will be saying in the video. Now click on this language button and you can select your preferred voice. Search using the language and gender option and select the one you like. Whether you're going for something authoritative or casual, the right voice can make a big difference in how your content is received. After selecting the voice, you can even change its speed, pitch, and volume. Then click on Play Scripts to see how it goes. Now, polish your video. Add text, stickers, or any other elements that enhance its appeal and clarity. Make sure everything flows smoothly from one segment to the next. Once you're satisfied with your video, click on this Export button to output it. Step 5. Publish your video on YouTube. With your video ready, it's time to share it with the world. Use a title that grabs attention and includes keywords like the movie title and movie review. They will help your video show up in searches. Write a description that gives viewers an idea of what to expect and include any relevant hashtags. After your video is live, watch for comments from viewers. Responding to comments and engaging with your audience builds a community around your channel and can lead to more views and subscribers. You might also get ideas for future reviews from viewer requests. Conclusion. We've covered a lot today. With these steps, you're on your way to building a unique channel that could easily attract movie lovers. Remember, the key is to start simple and keep going. Your channel might start small, but with regular videos, it will grow. The more you create, the sooner you can get monetized. That means you can earn money from your videos. It's all about patience and hard work. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. See you next time.